Years of research have exposed an understanding of the function and structure of the protective gel lining in your circulatory or vascular system called the glycocalyx. A new proprietary patented nutraceutical named Endocalyx is specifically formulated to deliver the building blocks essential to maintain a healthy glycocalyx and microvascular system. The ingredients are sourced from regions around the world where people are known to live longer and healthy, active lives. Endocalyx is made from concentrated extracts of 7 natural ingredients. These ingredients contain the same compounds that make up and protect the structure of the glycocalyx. It's a specific blend right down to the molecular structure that makes all the difference in the result of taking Endocalyx daily. This patented combination of ingredients in specific dosage amounts stimulates 3 actions that restore, regenerate, and protect the glycocalyx and microvascular system. The first result of this specific blend comes from polysaccharides that restore the protective structure of the glycocalyx. The second result comes from the amino sugars that regenerate the body's ability to produce more of the glycocalyx protective gel. And the third result comes from the antioxidants that work to protect the glycocalyx from breaking down. Scientific research backs up that these synergistic ingredients, when combined together, deliver these vital results in your microvascular system. Universities and hospitals around the world are conducting research projects right now, and the list of research papers written by medical professionals continues to grow. Importantly, a growing list of researchers now understand the paradigm-shifting advantages of combining these ingredients. As Endocalyx strengthens the glycocalyx, it helps optimize the structure of the capillaries. From head to toe, optimal capillary function delivers many benefits. The better each brain cell is supplied with oxygen and nutrients, the better your mood, the clearer your mind, the more productive your thinking. Healthy skin, hair, and eyes depend on a steady supply of oxygen and nutrients in order to renew, grow, and stay healthy. Skin color and tone are enhanced. Your hair and nails are stronger and healthier, and your eyes are clearer and brighter. As Endocalyx strengthens the glycocalyx, the blood in your entire vascular system is better able to reach and energize each cell of your body. Then all the cells of your body, including your brain, heart, and muscles, are amply supplied with oxygen and nutrients. This means that more blood cells carrying more nutrients and vital oxygen to all of your muscle, skin, and nerve cells restore warmth, feeling, and comfort. Don't wait another minute. Wake up and listen to your body's early warning signs that your glycocalyx and microvascular system is breaking down. Take control of tomorrow now by starting daily use of Endocalyx today. It's not too late to restore, regenerate, and protect your glycocalyx and microvascular system.